Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock in your Kia Sportage. First, locate the Setup button on your infotainment system and press it. Next, select Date/Time from the menu options. You can then manually adjust the hour and minute using the on-screen controls. Confirm your selections to save the new time. This process is straightforward and ensures your vehicle's clock is accurate. After setting the basic time, you can customize the display format. Within the Date/Time menu, you'll find options to switch between a 12-hour and 24-hour clock. Many Sportage models also offer automatic time synchronization via GPS. You can enable or disable this feature based on your preference. Remember to save any changes you make to these settings. If you encounter issues with your clock, first verify your vehicle's system software is up to date. Outdated software can sometimes cause display problems or prevent accurate timekeeping. For those using GPS synchronization, ensure your vehicle has a clear view of the sky to receive a strong signal. If problems persist, your owner's manual provides detailed, model-specific troubleshooting steps for your particular Sportage. Before you hit the road, always double-check that your clock settings are precisely as you want them. Saving your preferences ensures the time remains accurate, even after battery disconnections or system resets. Taking a moment to confirm prevents future frustration. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.